So I'm going to do my best to remember my poses. This is mountain pose, and I am doing the prayer pose. I don't remember the poses. Oh, warrior pose. So I'm gonna do my left leg first. It's my weaker leg, and it should be all the way like this. And I don't know if you can see my leg. And then so I'm on one leg, and then my arms are straight out. I'm only doing one arm straight out, opposite arm, opposite leg. I only had to touch my hand down 2 times. I'm super proud because usually I would have to touch my whole foot down in between every breath for my left leg. So let's see. Okay, you guys, I did warrior 3 standing on one leg. Usually to me, warrior 3 is more like this kind of a thing. So different, there's different variations for each pose. What was another one? Oh, I think the downward facing dog. So that is feet just one step wider than hip width apart. And then I keep my arm out with my head so that I make sure my head is staying level with my arm. Legs are straight, knees are soft. Your weight should be in the heels. And then I bend my knees a little bit to swoop up. And then I honestly don't remember the poses that I had written down. I was trying to do different poses this week, and I only did them one day, and I honestly cannot remember. So I'm just going to do a mountain pose this way. I think this is what I'm supposed to do at the end. Oh no, my last pose is, it's the prayer pose, but you're doing it behind the back. And I had a really hard time yesterday. Oh, goodness sakes. So I'm doing it today. It hurts. But I should say it's uncomfortable. I don't feel like I'm breaking anything. No, technically my hands, the bottom of my hand should be touching, not just the top. But I'll take it. That's progress from yesterday, so I'm gonna have to count it out. I did prayer pose. I did warrior 3, standing on one leg, and then I did downward facing dog, 3 poses, and I did mountain pose. I know I'm missing one, but I did 5 poses tonight. Enjoy life, everybody.